Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to change the input on your Roku TV, and essentially what you're trying to do is to get these input tiles onto your home screen area. This is my HDMI 3 input, this is my AV input, and so on. So this is what we're trying to accomplish. So to do this, we're going to go back to the home area and then go down to settings, and then we're going to go over and down to TV inputs. And you can see I've already set up a number of different inputs, but I have not set up my HDMI 2. So let's say I wanted to set up that HDMI 2 tile. So what we're going to do is go over and click where it says set up input. And it's as simple as that. It's going to set up that input and add it to your home page. So we're going to go back to the home area, and it should be the newest tile that you find right there at the top of your home screen. So if you click OK on this, it's going to take you to the HDMI 2 input. But you might be asking yourself, well, how can I customize it like you have with your other tiles? Like my NVIDIA Shield, for instance, is on HDMI 3. The Xbox is on HDMI 1. So to do this, again, we're going to go back to the home area, go down to settings, and then over and down to TV inputs, and then down to HDMI 2 over where it says rename. And in this area, you go over and you click which label that you want to have on this particular input. So let's say you have your cable box plugged into HDMI 2. So just click OK on your remote on cable box, and I'm going to go back to the home screen area, and that HDMI 2 tile is now labeled as cable box. And I recommend doing this because oftentimes, especially with a number of different things plugged into the back of your TV, you can forget which thing is plugged into which input. So it's nice having a nice labeled tile here on your home screen. And then at this point, if you wanted to launch what's connected in HDMI 2, for instance, your cable box, just click OK on your remote. And as long as it's plugged in and there's a signal, it should be good to go. Now, I don't currently have anything plugged into my HDMI 2, so it says no signal, and then it's going to ask me, is that device on? So you want to make sure it's plugged into the right HDMI input and it is powered on, and it should work at this point in time, changing to that respective input. So I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.